friend of mine just showed up in the studio with the following question.
Hey, Ben. Tell me, what would you do? I had sometimes the situation that I had an idea for a video content, and in your head it's perfectly clear, and then you write it down, and after a while you look at it and it's not the same again, and so somehow the energy is away. What would you do?
And that's a fair question, right? Because if you are a creator, then you probably have a couple of ideas that you want to turn into a video. But what's the main thing that makes a video and its idea so special? I think what makes a video and its idea so special is the energy in which it is created and the energy in which the idea is born. And if you write that down on a piece of paper, that energy is lost. Because if I get the idea by looking out of the window, watching someone walk down the street in a specific way, this is the energy in which the idea is created. In the way that now my friend came in and asked me this, because he noticed that if I have an idea, I'll turn them into a video in that. And I'm doing it exactly the way right now. And my advice for everyone who struggles with that is pretty simple. If you have a video idea, if you are a creator and you don't want it to get lost, of course you can write it down. But the best thing you can do, if you have the idea, take out your phone and make a short video of what you've just experienced. That is the best thing you can do, because by capturing it on camera, you will already try to save that energy in which the idea was created. And the best thing is, if you talk about it later, you can then even take the video that you made in that moment to then tell the full story. So even if it's 2 weeks after, if it's 1 week after, or even a month later, you can take out your recording, look at it, and then put it into your video. Because I get the question a lot, how do you have so many ideas for your videos? Because I produce videos for YouTube and LinkedIn almost on a daily basis. And I don't think that I have more ideas than anyone else. I think the difference is that I have learned to act upon the ideas quicker. And the thing you probably have to let go for that is your inner perfectionist. Because if you're a perfectionist, then you will never post that video, you will never even produce that video. So in the moment you have the idea, take out your phone, record whatever it is that was on your mind, and make sure to turn it into an actual video later. And then the world will be able to see all the great ideas that you have. And wouldn't that be awesome?